So Ian Boyne was recently reported to be in the hospital, and in the media fraternity, he's regarded as a veteran journalist who entered the profession in 1975. Outside of the JIS, he is the known host of 26-year-old TVJ program Profile, the host of Religious Hard Talk, and a columnist for the Sunday Gleaner. In 2009, the government of Jamaica recognized his contribution to journalism with the Commander of the Order of Distinction, CD. Mr. Boyne is a minister of religion and the author of Ideas Matter, Journey into the Mind of a Veteran Journalist. So I just wanted to give you guys a quick update on his status and what has been going on with him. And it says Deputy Chief Executive Officer of Jamaica Information Service, JIS, Ian Boyne is now out of intensive care unit of the University Hospital of the West Indies. Boyne is recuperating well in the Tony Thwaites Wing. He was rushed to the hospital on Saturday, December 2nd, after falling ill. I am deeply touched by the outpouring of love from all sectors of the society. Boyne said he was updated on the concern expressed by many Jamaicans at home and abroad on social media and through calls to the JIS and radio stations. He was told that churches everywhere were in prayer for his recovery. I am grateful to God I am a miracle, he added, as he reflected on the frightening experience. He stated that he has been seeing his doctors regularly and paying attention to his diet and exercise routine and encouraged everyone to do the same. And I am deeply moved to know that I am loved and appreciated by my colleagues, especially at the JIS and in the media. Tell them that I shall be back and doing more programs and writing more articles in the near future with God's help, the veteran journalist said while asking the JIS to assure everyone he is doing well. God was remarkably good to me on Saturday. I was to thank the team of the exceptional doctors and nurses who have worked with me in the intensive care, the deputy CEO said. So he is in good health, he's recuperating, and he will be fine by the grace of God, he said. So big up to him. And I just wanted to give you guys this quick update on his story because I know a lot of people were concerned and worried about him because they said that he was in a coma in the Gleaner and then they took it away because the family was not happy with all the information that was going out there in the media. So big up to Ian Boyne, big up to JIS, big up to the Gleaner, and I'm happy to see he is good and recuperating properly. It's just to like, comment, share, and subscribe to your girl here on YouTube. Deuces.